Hello again, welcome back, good to see you. And today we're filming all the way from St. Petersburg in Russia. Yes, I'm here, I've got here on Friday, I'm here for a few weeks, and I've got a number of things that I need to sort out here. But yeah, so it should be good. I'm going to be working at a co-working space, and I'll be getting up early in the morning to try and get onto the time zones that I need to work with people. But yes, that's where we're going to be filming in from here on in for the next few weeks. And today I want to talk about, I guess, the idea of tech as a whole as being, I feel, a little too valued. This is a tech channel, but at the same time, I feel like maybe it's me. I felt, tech isn't really all that, and I believe what's been happening is that we've gone sort of down this rabbit hole where consumer technology is being sold to us as a savior sort of thing, but it never will be, it never can be. It's technology, and the more I consider the situation, the more I've seen been so into the whole tech thing, and it's been so all enveloping, and that's cool. You want to solve as someone who likes solving problems. I like solving tech problems, and I like solving problems, but I don't know if tech is like this saving grace. It is the salvation, I guess. I mean, it depends. That's a whole philosophical can of worms that I'm probably not going to go into. But I want to use that to lead into the next thing, and that's that tech should be an extension and an addition. It shouldn't get in the way. Technology should never get in the way, right? And the reason I'm talking about it is when I saw the stuff that Facebook is doing with Orion, I kind of went that, this whole AR thing hasn't worked. It hasn't worked for decades. I don't know if you guys know, but about more than 15 years ago, we had the Google Glass, and even before that, there were Epson. Epson was like this company, a tech company. They're still around, and they did these AR glasses in the same style as what we have with the Orion. It's obviously older tech, lower resolution, bigger and a little bit more bulky, and gets in the way of it. But the principle was the same. You had these glasses, and then from one of the sides there was like a little light that projected onto the holographic screen, and I used it, and I wanted to see what I could do with it, but it just felt like it had got in the way so much. And I'm finding that, recently I tried to switch over my password manager from Apple passwords to 1Password, and I found that it was just getting in the way, and so I just canceled it. And I'm finding that that's the thing. The moment tech gets in the way, you're doing it wrong. I think LLMs and the way we can transform language models to actions in apps and in tech, that's good. Like talking to your computer, being able to, it acts like a kind of assistant. I don't know, I'm not sure how close that is. I've tried it a few times, but it seems to be a long way away. And it seems to be more promise than reality. And with what happened with the rabbit, it was a disaster. So I want to take a step back from all of these things that are being promised by tech companies that are meant to make our lives easier, and to an extent they do, right? But not so much as to what I used to believe would be what we need. At the end of the day, the basic things that you need are, a roof over your head, and some time that you spend with family, good food, and all this kind of stuff, right? And tech adds to that. I'm filming this, and I like filming on cameras, and I do feel that sometimes just having it here is something that takes up my time, really. I do it because I enjoy it. And so with AR, there's, having tried it a few times, I've tried it with the HoloLens, I've tried it with this Epson headset, I've tried VR, and everything that I've seen just points to the fact that it gets in the way. I mean, even glasses, wearing glasses I just don't do it. I don't do it. There's a lot of people that don't. But interestingly enough, about half of the US population wears glasses, 165 million. I just checked a few days ago. So maybe there's something there with the AR glasses that helps. But then you got to ask yourself, do you trust Meta? Do you trust that company with I wouldn't trust. I deleted my Facebook account. I try not to use Instagram that much. I don't trust them. I trust Apple more than I do Meta. So, I mean, I'm sure that there are a lot of people that really, want to dive into it and want to learn this technology and want to maybe solve problems using it. But I guess if you're out there and you're watching this and you're interested in AI, think about how to use the technology that so it doesn't get in the way and adds just to people's lives, right? I haven't been able to find a way to. I enjoy doing apps and IoT devices, and hopefully I can build apps and IoT devices that really add value in the future. Build websites as well. I used to write games, but not so much anymore. But if you are in AR and you're interested in this Orion headset and you want to build software that solves problems for people, do really think about what it is that you want to solve and try and make it so it just doesn't get in the way. But well, guys, that's it. I'm here in Russia. If you want to check out some more about Russia, I'm going to be doing a little vlog about it. I'm going to go take the camera. I'm going to walk around and do some filming in the area and just talk about some of the cool places in the city of St. Petersburg while I'm here. So, and the fact that we're doing IVF. So I'm going to do a video about the whole IVF thing because I think it's important for guys that are doing this process. I want to try and provide some insight and experience from what's happened with me and what I've been doing. But anyway, guys, that's enough for me. I will see you at the next video. I'll probably do a live stream as well. I'm looking forward to that. It's been a while. So, guys, I'll catch you later. Bye.